How to use Twilio to call. In this video, I'll show you how to use Twilio to call. So to get started, go ahead and open twilio.com into your preferred browser and then sign in into your Twilio account. And then from here, go ahead and choose an account that you have under your Twilio account. And then once you're inside that account, make sure that you actually have a programmable voice number so you can buy one in console, and trial users can only call verified numbers until you upgrade an account on Twilio. So once you're inside, make sure to click on that voice tab at the left side of your screen in between the messaging and email. So under that, go ahead and click on manage and then click on TweML apps. For outbound calls, you'll need to go ahead and create a TweML URL. So once you're in here, go ahead and click on this create new TweML app. So once you click on this create new TweML app at the top right of your screen, this will pop. So you need to enter a friendly name for this. Set the voice configuration such as the request URL and the request method, along with the messaging configuration, request URL, and request method. So once you're done with this, you can go ahead and click on that create button at the bottom right. And that is how you can basically use Twilio to call. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.